Welcome back to another video, and as you can see, we got the 2000 Toyota Tundra SR5 right here, and all the footage you just saw was yesterday. So as you can tell by the title, we put the timing belt on this because it definitely needed it. Look at the timing belt. So we definitely needed to change it because they recommend you change it every 90,000 miles. Everything is original on this. Not anymore now, but they recommend changing it every 90,000 miles. The Tundra has 162,000 miles now. Yeah, we bought it brand new back in 2000, but yeah, this is pretty much like the first major thing. Well, the first thing we've done to the Tundra in 20 years. Everything's original, right? So for this being the first year Toyota made this truck, it definitely runs pretty good. But so we put the timing belt because my dad's just been driving around in the Safari, but he doesn't want to put that many miles on the Safari. And on the new engine, we recently hit 3,000 miles on the Safari, but he doesn't want to put any more. So that's why he wanted to fix his truck already. So then we stopped driving the Safari, let it chill for a bit. It's been a daily non-stop for like the past couple weeks, and we went to far places in it. So once the Safari to rest, now I got the Tundra. Timing belt was on. I wasn't here all day yesterday, and when my dad got home early from work yesterday, he just started it. So by the time I got home, he was already done, and that's the footage I got. But yeah, timing belt's on. We're gonna go for a cruise right now, see how it feels. Let's go.